Hey guys, it's review time again. My Melly done went and did it again. This one came off of TikTok. It is one of those little flame humidifiers. I saw them. I saw someone else that reviewed one off of Amazon and TikTok. They said that the one off TikTok was better. So I went with that. And this is what we got. It's a little guy. I don't remember if I got the white one or the black one. I honestly don't remember, so. Don't remember the company name either, if I can find it. If I can find them on here, if they have a page, because some of these places don't have a page for some reason, I will tag them. If not, just in general then, you know. So, oh, I think I got the white one. I really hope this works better than the other two, because if not, I'm going to be highly disappointed. And I'm going to have to, like, write that person an email. Just being like, wait a minute, you told me this was a good one to get, and it's, you know, crap. Alright, so, are there no instructions? There's no instructions. Oh, there they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's just aromatherapy machine. Axe water. Don't care about that. Okay. Wow. Okay, so short press switch. Alright, we're gonna step over here and put some water in it. So I'm gonna walk around you for like 2 seconds and get some water in this baby. I'll be right back. Oh, there's the max line. Okay, I'll show you guys the max line when I come back around there. Oh, just got water all over myself. Is that the max line? Okay, nope. It's got too much. Oopsie. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh gosh. I like dump it all over the place. Okay, so here's the max line. I got it just about to the max line there. So we're going to... Oh, but it doesn't even like... Okay, well it doesn't move that much, so... Okay, and again, USB. It does not come with one of these. FYI, y'all. Oh, crud. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby. Alright. Bad in here. USB-C is this one. Can't speak on any of the other ones. Ooh, that's cool. Alright. Alright, so we short press switch. Okay, so it looks like there's short press switch. And that turns on spray and flame lights. Ooh. Do you guys see this? I'm impressed. I'm impressed already. I should have got like 3 of these instead of the other little ones. Maybe I will. Okay, so short press the switch again. Shuts it off. First press. Okay, so you have to press that to turn it on, which is the middle button. And then we have a light switch over here to the left and a timer over here to the right. My left and right. The opposite if you're looking at the machine from the front, because I'm looking at it from the back. So we have Activate the 7 color light cycle mode. So short press the second switch. Ooh. I like that. Yeah. Then we have press it again. It does some other stuff. That's staying in monochrome light. Press it again, it shuts the light off. Okay, cool. Then we have the timer. You press it once and it does 1 hour. Press it again for 3 hours. Press it again for 5 hours. I like it. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take a bunch of these actually. Shoot. Oop. Let's turn around here. I'll take it. So yeah, TikTok, you have yet again impressed me. After 2 fails, you impressed me. Not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, little tiny humidifier. I believe you can put like aromatherapy stuff in it too. Oh yeah, obviously, because it's an aromatherapy machine. Duh. Okay, so you can put like oils and stuff in it too, I believe, to make it smell good. I got it simply for the humidifier portion, just to get a little bit of moisture in our house, because our house is so dry. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have one and if you like it, because I like this. I like this a lot. Like a lot. Like this one might just go in my bedroom, and I might just have to get another one for out here. Oops. So, anyway, if you guys like this, Mama Melly recommends it. They're cheap on here. I think I got this one for like $10. So yeah, go check them out. Even if you don't buy one, like, just go check them out, because this is what I was looking for off of the other one, was just to have something come out of the top to show me that it was actually working. Didn't have that. So, and yes, my cats they're playing racetrack in the background here. So, anyway, there we have it. Our beautiful aromatherapy machine. So, anyway, I will see you guys later. I love you. Bye. Today. Yeah, one more. And it's another cat fountain. We'll see how this one is. Let's just get to it. Oh. This better impress me. That's all I have to say. With the reviews that it had, it better impress me. There. Wow. Alright then. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Just means it'll need to be cleaned more often, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. So these are just extra filters. Alright, so this one's colorful pet drinking fountain. Aeon Boy is the brand, I guess. I don't know. Let's look. It holds 67 ounces. Dang it. Just this. Alright, so much already know how to work all these. Just take it apart. Oh my. Okay. So, USB. It does come with a little brick. Motor. So this one's set up kind of like the last good one that we had, where it's got that little sponge in there. You gotta dig out and clean. Oopsie. What does this go to? I don't know what that goes to. I might have to see what that goes to. Oh, it's an LED. Okay, so it's got a little spot down here. It just goes in, maybe. Get in there. There we go. Alright. I've done this many times. And these are different filters. Oopsie, goes in there, there, and in here. The cats are already stalking me right now. Alright, let's fill this bad boy up. Actually, you know what? Let's give her a good rinse first. Picture. Oh, let's fill this with that. This might take a second. Good enough. All right. Up. That just hang out? Just hang out there or what? I guess it does. I'm not sure how that works. Oh, because you know what? I know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take this and feed it through here. Wow. I screwed that up. Okay. I got this. There we go. And now we're getting somewhere. This is why you read the instructions. Alright, so I definitely like that better than the last one. Alright, so we got that. Let's turn it back around. Let's put this boy back on. Let's give her a testy test. Whoa! I like. And I don't think this one's going to overflow on the top. Yeah. And there's a cute little LED light in it. So maybe, you know, Nobody will trip over it in the middle of the night. Yeah. We'll have to see how the kitties like it. Heinrich's back here bugging me already, so. Alright, well, that's the new cat fountain. We'll see how it goes. I think it's gonna go okay, though. I think this was a good buy. And I got the fountain and 4 filters and 4 of the little sponge things. Like 20 bucks. So cheaper than the other one, even. So yeah, that's our new cat fountain. I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a nap now. I love you guys.